was an ordinary, boring day.
It is high time to go to the supermarket. I've made a shopping list for you. Who wants to help me?
I want. And me.
Well done, my darlings.
Let's find some adventures in the huge supermarket.
We have 5 things in the list.
Buy only things that we need. The most important thing is not to forget anything.
Watering can.
The most important thing is not to forget anything.
Car.
The most important thing is not to forget anything.
Strawberry jam.
The most important thing is not to forget anything.
Orange. Tomato paste.
Such a
Strawberry jam.
comfortable trolley. Such a comfortable trolley. Put back the things we don't need. Fast.
Mushrooms.
The most important thing is not to forget anything. What attraction do you want to visit today?
You need to put all goods to their places. Move goods to their places. Tap the door to open it. Tap the door to close it. Nice job.